All right, here we have the Warm Audio WA-8000, which is a microphone I am really excited about. As you saw in the unpacking video, it comes in a very nice, let me grab you guys so you can see it. Very nice travel carrying case here, Pelican case. Down here, we have the power supply routed through the patch bay here. And the microphone itself is very cool looking. It definitely looks like a vocalist's studio quality microphone. And I'm excited to try it. Actually, I tried this microphone. I'm just going to drop it down a little bit from my voice. I tried one that this is modeled after the Sony C800. And it's one of the very first microphones I did a voiceover demo on. I was working at a hamburger shack selling hamburgers, literally, a small place here in town, not a chain restaurant, just an individual location. And these hip hop guys up the street had rented a space, and they converted it into like a hip hop studio sort of thing. So everyone was, rolling blunts, doing whatever it is they do. And I hopped in their booth because they're like, I told them, oh yeah, like I'm interested in voiceover. Like, bro, come on by the studio. Like, we'll get you on the mic and we'll do something. They were just being friendly. So I took them up on the offer. And I went in, and they had this mic there in the studio, in the booth, and I got out and I started doing my trailer stuff, and I was like, "Whoa, this guy's nuts!" Because they're used to dealing with hip hop artists, and I think that was their first experience with a voiceover person like myself. But anyway, I have a lot of fond memories with this style of microphone. I like the way it sounds right now. Actually, I'm going to juice my gain on my headphones a little bit so I can hear it a bit clearer. There we go. So I got my there we go. Got my headphone gain here. So yeah. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Critics and audiences agree. It's the year's best film. Yeah, this has this beautiful, beautiful bright punch that I look for. When I model my Townsend Labs microphone over here, when I'm doing the modeling system on that, I use this modeling software. I like this sound. It's so bright and crunchy and punchy, and this translates to network broadcast really, really well. So my review of this is I'm already a fan, in case you didn't tell. So let's hop on it. Let's read a couple scripts. We'll do kind of a dramatic trailer style thing, and then we'll do more of a commercial style thing, or just let me flip to a random page here. This is a very popular script here. Let's just give it a read. They hear the sound of every last breath, every close call, and every lost second. The killer is out there. Knowing how he works is what makes them tick. And if you wait a second, you'll hear the ticking too. Criminal Minds. The marathon starts next Sunday, November 21st at 3 on Sundance. Yeah. I really like this sound. It's so present. It's exactly what you would want to, I got to angle this a little bit better so I guess stay closer to the mic. It's exactly what you would want a professional level voiceover file to sound like. If you're delivering this file to an audio producer or something, you want it to be at least at this level. To me, if I heard this, I would say, okay, this voice artist clearly has invested in a very nice studio. So, you need two things: very nice studio and the skills to win the audition, right? So, if you're a really great artist and you're a really great actor, and then you come to a level like this with the quality audio matters. It does matter. They tell me, I believe it. It's whatever they say to you to try to sell you a $150 microphone. Audio matters. And the better it is, the higher chances you have to work with that on that project. Let's hear just a commercial, something commercially. Let me flip here my pages. Fuck it. Let's do a trailer instead.
Academy Award winner Julia Roberts. Academy Award nominee Peter Hedges. Ben is back this December.
This microphone, I love doing trailers on. It just sounds so good. I can't help but want to do like a million trailers on this thing. We can switch trailer style. Let's go something really dark, and then we can do something friendly and upbeat.
Embrace your inner anti-hero, Venom, in real 3D and IMAX.
So yeah, this kind of rumble sound, right? That captures that. Now let's switch it.
From the studio that brought you Disney's Beauty and the Beast comes a new adventure with an old friend. Disney's Christopher Robin, coming soon.
Bright, warm in the read and in this microphone. Yeah, it's a really, really nice sound. I see. I mean, I've tried a lot of these microphones. I'm just trying to find a commercial. I've tried a lot of these microphones over the years. A lot of them in different studios and things, and I'm a huge fan of this sound. Just sounds like that quality tube microphone that you would expect to be in a professional studio. You know, you walk behind the glass, there's the whole session, the whole experience of a recording session, not like a microphone that you have in your closet. You know, nothing against that, but this gives you that studio feel, which for me is part of the experience of doing the work. We'll do a TV commercial.
Without layers of approval, anyone could make decisions.
If NASA needed layers, if NASA needs layers, so does your chocolate bar. Get crunchy and creamy. Hershey's cookie layer, crunch, crunch, crunch. Get layered. Yeah, so right here, if you want to just drop it down and be super friendly and, conversational, like, I don't know, it's the best product on, I don't even know. I tell all my friends to buy Bear Paint. It's just one swipe and it covers it, whoa, just your, I'm being facetious, but yes, your commercial sound where you're just almost thinking to yourself, this could be the best detergent. Wow. I didn't even know that. Tide, right there. We're just kind of even in that self-reflecting zone. It sounds great. It instantly can capture my voice, and I'm kind of even talking off access to the camera, and it's still doing a great job at grabbing me. I'm not even talking directly on, and it's doing a great job at grabbing me. Just while I have this thing plugged in, I want to do another trailer, just because. Gosh, it sounds so good on trailers.
Discover an underwater wonderland few have ever seen. Make a splash with Disney Nature's Dolphins, Earth Day 2018.
It's that nice bright read. How about something more dramatic?
This fall, experience a connection beyond words. The Shape of Water. This fall, experience a connection beyond words. The Shape of Water.
Yeah, really, really nice in this kind of like nice lush little drama zone. It sounds really good. Let me see if there's like an action film or something. Yeah, here you go. See an action film, or more of a thriller, I should say. This is a thriller, not an action film. These are all kind of dark. Oh, here we go. Here's action.
From the producers of The Fast and the Furious and Olympus Has Fallen, Hunter Killer, rated R.
Sense of urgency, nice and quick. Nice action sound there. Let's try something more dramatic.
This fall, Academy Award winner Matthew McConaughey, Academy Award winner Anne Hathaway. On this island, truth lies below the surface. Truth lies below the surface. Serenity, rated R.
Yeah, good zone there too, and kind of that crunchy teeth zone right there in Cinemas Friday. Kind of bite into a little bit on this mic. I love it. you should, if you have a similar voice print that I have, if this is sounding good to you, pick it up. This microphone that Warm Audio has captured the essence of. The original one I worked on was about $10,000. Very expensive, high-end microphone. This, I'm not sure the price point. I think it's $1,200. I'm not. I'll have to look, but it's definitely not $10,000. And you get all that. You get all that. It's not bright and made out of gold and shiny, but geez, does this sound great? It's simple to set up, and it gives me that tube, that tube experience that I'm looking for when I want to use a studio condenser microphone. I mean, even if you start to talk, even if you get really intimate right here, and if you think you can go another 100 miles in those shoes, Nike, if you really want to get really soft and intimate, it picks up all that too. It's a great singer's microphone. This whole area is just your playground of different volumes.
Coming up next on MTV Cribs.
Yeah, if you want to get big and boisterous, it handles it. Yeah, hands down, great microphone. I recommend it. So far, Warm Audio has been 2 for 2 in what I'm hearing and what I'm liking. So I'm excited to see more of their products. All right, that's my review. Hope you enjoyed it.